A couple of local gardeners are taking vegetable growing to a whole nother level, and they're sharing their unique ways with TV Warren. More in this week's edition of It's Your Biz. Gardening gurus Tim Scher and Dan Maslach of Vertical Paradise Farms are using soilless hydroponics technology to grow vegetables vertically in their large garden at their home on Loretta Street near 10 Mile and Ryan. The benefits of this, the ability to grow a large amount of plants in a small area.
What we're doing is containerized growing. We're growing without soil in towers with controlled irrigation, and the water flows from the top down through each pot. And we stack anywhere from 2 to up to 8 or 10 pots high in a greenhouse. So it's basically high density growing, more plants per area, using less ground space and using less water. It's a soilless mix. So what we have, some are perlite and vermiculite, which are naturally occurring elements that are mined out of the earth. We use coconut fiber, which is a waste product. We also use peat moss, which comes out of bogs and peat places locally.
Vertical gardening also makes for a much tastier overall vegetable.
We could actually fit about, if you took all these plants and put them in the ground, you'd have about 3/4 of an acre of crops. What we're growing back here predominantly is tomatoes for the Warrens Farmers Market that's on Sunday, and we do attend that regularly. I've got about 10 varieties of peppers out here. I've got about 12 varieties of tomatoes. We've got mixed herbs, arugula, basil, sorrel, rosemary.
Another advantage using this method is they're able to grow plants into the colder months of the year.
So we can start a little bit earlier and we can go a little bit longer. And part of it is because we're off the ground, that ground frost doesn't quite get to it. Part of it is also that the containers are insulated. And that allows us to, like I said, extend the season.
Each vegetable tower is watered 3 times per day for 3 minutes.
Everything is automated, and it's all drip irrigation from the top. It's tied into our sprinkler system. It's very similar to a household system. The only difference is all of the fertilizer that we give the plants is given through the water.
They've put together a vertical gardening kit for people interested in growing vegetables using this method.
It's a single self-contained tower. It contains 16 plants, and you can grow it in 3.5 square feet. The kit comes with a pump, timer, growing media, fertilizer, everything to get you going, with the exception of the plants. So when you take it out of the box, it's ready to go. You fill it up with water, set the timer, and it grows itself.
To learn more about vertical gardening, you can visit their website at verticalgardenkit.com or vpfarms.com. You know, another thing is that vertical growing is very popular, they said, down in Florida.
Is it?
Yeah, but not a lot of people are doing it up here, so
interesting.
Very creative.
Yep. Yeah, very good story. We're going to take a quick break, but when we come back, Pam Stone will be in with the community calendar.
And Adam Bolus will be in with sports.
The day to put your hazardous waste in its proper place is Saturday, September 13th from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's an excellent opportunity to clear out your basement or garage of materials that are not normally